Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Journal with Me video. Okay, so today I'm going to be journaling, obviously, in my Creative Daily Journal. Welcome. Glad you're here. Thanks for sharing your time with me. And if you like what you see, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every time a new video comes out. Okay, so this is my July-August book, okay, and we're gonna do a couple pages, okay, but one of them is my husband's birthday page. How fun. And my daughter had just recently got a Cricut, and she was trying things out, and she wanted to make this sign here. This one, I don't know, one of the black things messed up or whatever, so she made a whole new sticker. But this is actually for, it says Big Handsome's Hideaway, and it is actually for down south. We have, my husband made like I don't know, it's like a bar type of thing. It's not a bar thing. I don't know how to explain it. It's a table with stools on either side, and he made it out of a surfboard, so it's really cool. And then on the top, we have just stickers from everywhere. People send us stickers. They've sent me stickers in Happy Mail over the years, and we put it on the surfboard. So she wanted to make her dad a sticker to put on the surfboard. So how fun is that? And since this one was messed up, she made him another one. And so I'm going to hopefully take this, I don't know, take this, and this is what I'm supposed to do, I think, okay? So if I ruin it, I'm not going to be pleased with myself. Oh, okay. Let me see. All right, we're gonna go like that. Okay, all right, we're just gonna do it. All right, so I'm gonna take this thing now. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to do this with it, all right? And then I'm supposed to, I could be making a complete disaster out of this. But I think my daughter told me that this is how I'm supposed to do it. It's just like a regular, although I don't know if I'm supposed to do it on paper or not. I don't know. This could go horribly wrong, folks. Horribly wrong. Okay, so I'm supposed to go like this and, make sure that it's all the black parts, I guess, are stuck down. Like, I'm not even sure. I don't even know. We're gonna see. I don't know. I could have just like royally screwed this whole thing up, all right? I don't know. It's not working. Okay. So I don't know how to do it. Maybe it's supposed to only go on plastic. I don't know. Like maybe you can't do it. I've never done this before. Why isn't this going? This vinyl thing here is supposed to be sticking onto the paper. That's what I understood. Aha. Okay, all right. So I'm just not doing it enough, all right, or hard enough, or whatever. Okay, so we're gonna take one of these, right, and we're gonna, I don't know, we're gonna just go over these things. Like, we're gonna press harder, I guess. Okay, so we'll see. All right, so guys, today's my early day, one of my early days from work. Oh my goodness. Okay, so if you haven't been, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm just sitting here journaling in my journal. If you want to know how I make my books, my daily creative journals, then I have a playlist for that. So go ahead and check that out. And normally, like on Mondays, I have something called a Ramble Session where I just ramble at you and let you know what's going on in my life and that kind of stuff, right? Okay, now this is working a bit better. Okay, yeah, whoa, look here, W. Get on there. My goodness, who knew? Who knew you had to have such force? I don't know if I'm going to sit here and make y'all wait for this. I don't know. Anyway, oh, am I? Oh my gosh, no, I'm not gonna sit here and make you wait. Okay, I'll do that in a little bit. But anyway, that's how it's gonna come out. And here's my book right here. Let's scooch this over. Okay, here's my book. Now, 5 minutes of that. Okay, so here, doesn't that look cute with the pineapples in the background? So I'm gonna cut this out, right, of the scrapbook paper. And then what I'm gonna do is, because I love this picture right here, I don't wanna cover it up. Even though it was my lovely husband's birthday, I don't wanna cover it up. Yeah, it was my husband's birthday on this day. So what I'm gonna do is cut this out and make it a tip in, right? So that's how that's gonna work. All right. We'll work on that later though, because I don't want to waste y'all's time. Okay, so this day here is, we're going to be working on a few things here. Okay. This was the first day of school, all right? Now, you guys, I know you guys are seeing this like in the middle of September. Sorry. It's actually like toward the end of August now. But, yeah. That's just the way it goes. The way it goes, okay? I can only come in here and work when I have the time. So I did want to share, though. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll share these on the Ramble Session. Maybe I will. Forget that. Yeah, forget about that. We're just going to journal, okay? Let's just journal, shall we? Okay, oh my gosh. I wish I was more prepared, but I'm not. As usual. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way, Elizabeth. Good grief. Okay, what I'm trying to get to is my glue book here. I don't need that tag. Get away. Okay, glue stick. All right. Oh, gosh. What are we, 7 minutes in and I'm just starting. Okay. Best laid plans, I tell you. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to slather it in glue. I don't know what's going on with this glue. I don't know. And the tricky part is that I'm going to have to stick it to this plastic here. So we'll see. Okay, so this was the first day of school. All right. Super fun. If you guys are new and you didn't know, I am actually my daughter's teacher assistant. Okay. So it says first day of school, on-campus learning and remote learning. Yes, they're doing both at this school. Excuse me. Now, this background right here, okay, is a little plastic baggie because one of the sweet little students brought in for my daughter and I, you know, like a welcome present, a bag of sweets, you know, and it says for a sweet teacher, hands down, this is going to be a bright year. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so I think I'm going to glue that here. I've made this into a little pocket. Now, on this particular day, I did get Happy Mail, so I need to get my little Happy Mail, okay? So I'll put this somewheres on here. Okay, we'll put it right there. So inside here is, I made this little bag into a pocket, okay? So in here is the lovely card that I got from Happy Mail. This was for my sweet friend Jacqueline. And so I put that in there, and then let's decorate the cover. Okay, so here, if you can see, this is my daughter and me. Yes, I'm the one with short hair. Well, the old lady, and my daughter's the young one. Okay, so we took a picture. That's how we look in class. And let me just tell you guys, oh my word. Yeah, the masks are, it's just not comfortable, all right? Just saying, just not comfortable. All right, so I have a few things here that I want to say. Important, though, nonetheless, okay? Whether or not they're comfortable, it's still important. Okay, so I wanted to put this here, so let's slather this bad boy with some glue and hope that it sticks to the plastic. Now, I'm not all too sure if it will or not. We'll see. We shall see. This is the first early day I've had off, right? And when I got home, can I just tell you? Well, I mean, you've probably heard all about it in my Ramble Sessions, but can I just tell you, my feet are just, woo! Oh my goodness. This one lady that I watch from Nova Scotia Living, I'll put her link below. she always says when her feet hurt that her dogs are barking, and I think it's so funny. So yeah, my dogs were barking this day. Let me tell you what. Okay, they were definitely barking. Okay, I'm just making a little crease in that so that I know where to put the glue. So yeah, oh, where'd the crease go? It was on it's on this side here. Okay, I just want to kind of go like that. Okay, just so I know where sort of to put the glue, because I don't want to glue it to this page here. Yeah, so anyway, our first day went really well. The kids are great. My daughter has, I am also the whatchamacallit, what's it called? Oh, I hate when this happens, okay? Happens all the time to me. And of course now I can't find, okay, here's my rag. Ugh, this glue, well, it's really me. It's not the glue, okay? It's not the glue. It's me. All right. I get it like just all over, all right? There's just no other way to say it, okay? I just get it all over the place. Okay. So there. Okay. All right. All right, we got it. All right. Then look how cute these are. Her coat. Okay, let me finish my thoughts here. Okay. I am a teacher assistant for my daughter's 5th grade class and the other 5th grade class. There are 2 5th grade classes at the school, and I am the assistant for both of them. They are right next door to each other. And so her co-teacher, my daughter's co-teacher, printed these out for Monday, and it was really cute. So I stuck them all to like a little baggie of goldfish things, you know, the little fish. And it was really cute. So, and you know what's so fun is they always make like extra copies, okay? I didn't bring my school bag in here. Otherwise, I'd show you the other thing I got. But yeah, so whenever there's an extra copy, guess what I do? I do what any normal journaler would do. And I shove one in my bag to take home, okay? Because I'm weird. Yeah, okay. Oh, let's see here. Do I want this down here? Yeah, yeah. Okay, so that was super cute, okay? Now here, on this thing here, oh, poo-poo-doo. I forgot, like I said, I had my bag in the kitchen. Darn it. Okay, on this little thing here, I'm going to write a line here, across, and I'm going to write Jacqueline. So Jacqueline sent me something, and Sweet Tammy sent me something. Okay, so there's my little Happy Mail thing. That's because I like to keep track, you know. And yeah. So that was really nice to come home on the first day of school. Are you kidding me? And see that I had gotten some Happy Mail. I mean, how nice. Okay. Now, oh, then this here, okay, I saw this online and I just thought it was funny. So I am definitely going to put this on here. And it says, I'm getting tired of being part of a major historical event. Yes, yes, I am. Okay, because can I tell you, wearing a mask all day, all right, is, of course, it's safe. And of course, you know, we adhere to all the rules. Okay, we are rule followers here. But that does not make it any more cool. Like cool as in temperature cool, because let me tell you what, I have been sweating my rump off, all right? Not gonna lie. I get home and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I need a shower bad. It's just so hot. It's so hot here. And you've got this mask on your face, you know, and you're trying to be safe and keep everybody else safe. That's part of the whole deal, you know, is it's not just thinking about yourself, it's thinking about everybody else, you know. Ugh, so, yeah. Let's get a date on here, shall we? Huh. Okay. Yeah. Let's find my stickers that I get from Brooke, my dear friend Brooke. Okay. So let's see here. This was definitely Monday. We started school on a Monday, and it was the 24th, the day after my beautiful husband's birthday. Okay, so we're just gonna go like this, okay? And we're gonna stick this right down here like this. There we go. And let's see. Oh man, I should have put this on there. Back to school? Yes, back to school. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see. What can I do here? What can I do? I can put this little book here. I can do that because that's adorable. Okay. And then what I'm going to do with this right here. Okay. These are like cute little notepads that I got from the Dollar Tree over the weekend. And I glue 2 of them together like this, and I might need more. It depends on how much I want to say. I glue them back to back, and then they go right in here, right? Hopefully. Okay, I'll have to fold them. So they'll be like this, and then in the pocket they go. See, when I made the pocket... Oh, will they fit in there? Oh, they sure will. No, they won't. Okay, that's fine. No big deal. Okay, so at any rate, they will go right in there, okay? And I have this stapled at the bottom so they won't fall out, whatever. So we'll just go like this, and we're gonna fold them in half like this. I'll do my journaling on here. It was a fun day. It was fun getting to see the kids and, you know, start getting to know them and all that fun stuff. And then I had this right here, which I'm gonna save out, I think. Yeah, I have this little note here from Sweet Tammy, and that's gonna go in here as well, okay? So this is kind of like, you know, flying up, which no biggie. Is all this staying stuck down? It appears to be staying stuck down. Okay, so we're good on this day, all right? So yeah, all we gotta do is that, and that's it. I wonder if I shouldn't glue this part down like that, because I have to fold the thing anyway, right? So yeah, let's just do it, folks. We're just gonna take this and put some glue on it and hope that it sticks. Okay, there we go. Okay, and our little pockets right in there. So there we go. Perfect first day of school. This is from the Happy Mail. Yeah, I love this. Okay, it came out great. All right. So there is that. All ready to go. All ready for journaling. And that's all I'm going to do with that. Now, I still have to work on this thing. I'm not going to make you guys suffer through it, but I will work through this, do all the journaling on the back. My husband had a very nice birthday, I think. The kids, surprisingly, all the kids were over, so that was very nice. Our son is on nights, I think, so he came over, I think, before work. I'm not really sure. He was here, I know that. And my daughter and her boyfriend were here, so yeah. And my daughter and I we made dinner, so that was nice. So I'll put all that on the back of this journaling card, and then I will just tip it in here, right? And then on here, I'll probably just put like a quote or something like that. I just thought this page was so beautiful, I hate to cover it up. Yeah, and all the kids got my husband a fishing rod, so he was very happy. Yep. Okay. And then otherwise, yeah, we're going to just keep going backwards now. Okay, yeah, we're going to keep going backwards. So there you have it, and there it is. Thank you for sharing your time with me, and thank you for documenting this fun day. First day of school, the first day I went back to work after 25 years. Yeah, back in the classroom, and the sweetest part is that I'm with my daughter. Yeah, I'm loving it. So, yeah, thanks again. Thanks for sharing your time with me, and I hope y'all are doing well, and I will talk to you all real soon. Oh, don't forget, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit that button. It's free. And hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time a video comes out. Make sure you always check my playlist too, because I have all of my videos separated into categories. Okay, so whatever you want to watch or you prefer to watch, go ahead and check those playlists out. Okay, so yep, I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.